3 straight U23 Asian Championships. Won titles in 23, 24, and 25, so he feels he is ready to take the next step for Kyrgyzstan. Only 20 years old. Janishov normally taller than his opponents in this weight class at 87 kilos. You see the size difference with Kilink. Quick, decisive stand up. And Janishov can't pull the trigger on the throw. And a good job with the parterre defense underneath from the 30-year-old from Turkey. Асан Kilink of Turkey down a point, but survives underneath with the parterre defense. We cross over 2 minutes into this opening round.
And we're on that D from Bulgaria, Daniel Alexandrov. One of my attendants, superiority on that C, Yaroslav Filchakov.
Final few moments of the opening round. Early opportunity for Janishov. He has the passivity point. He carries a 1-0 lead into the break period between the first and second round as action continuing from Zagreb, our final full day of competition. 3 weight classes brought into the fray today with 63, 67. You're watching 87 kilograms now with these 2 competitors. Later tonight, we'll crown gold at 60, 72, and 97. And tomorrow night, we'll crown gold with these 3 weight classes that we're enjoying this afternoon. Hard to imagine a week is come and gone. 1 week ago today, men's freestyle started here in Zagreb. So many wrestlers' dreams have become a reality. For many other wrestlers, the journey continues. That journey right now for both Janishov and Kilink, Turkey and Kyrgyzstan. Kilink has earned his shot at parterre. Janishov goes underneath. Final instructions from the longtime Turkey head coach. Year after year producing elite talent.
Blue. Okay, red contact. Attention, next time another caution, okay? Contact.
Trying to get a reverse grip, come up in between the legs, softening up that area. Kilink quickly jumps over to the opposite side, and he takes him over for 4. He exposed him. Nicely done on the reverse lift. Trying to get it one more time, lost his left hand, and back up to the feet is Janishov, and he is away. But take a look at this. Really nicely done. Hop skips across the body into a stand-up, and then a reverse toss for 4. Janishov earns the step out point, 5-2. Janishov trying to drive in double unders, has them near the edge. And another step out. We'll see if that'll be a caution as well. And I believe they are going to tag a caution up there. Caution him 1, and he comes right back at him. Same story. Double unders hooked in. Kilincz giving up way too much ground. Now Janishov curves that back a little bit, has the hands locked, and can't get the throw, but he will get the step out. And just like that, he is back in it. Decided not to risk the throw, take the guarantee point. And he probably felt that there was going to be a caution call, which there was as well. So real smart wrestling by Janishov. And all of a sudden, the pilot light has went out here for Kilincz after the big 4-point play. 5 unanswered, back-to-back cautions for fleeing the mat, and Janishov leading by 1. Janishov looks over, takes a quick glance at the tower clock. Time dwindling. We approach 10 seconds to go. He's just maintaining center position, elbows in, arms in, not giving Kilincz any opportunity. And a rally in this second round from Janishov after it looked like maybe Асан Kilincz could grab some momentum. He executed the perfect parterre, reverse lift and throw. He had all the momentum, and then all of a sudden, back-to-back clean the mats. Janishov kept coming at him, and it is a victory, 6-5 for Kyrgyzstan.